This one bad to the bone. Yo, do yourself this time, my darling. Yo, outdo it, man. This one is great, people. This one is nice. Mmm. It's so nice. Come like ice cream.
Hey guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. I want to thank you very much for journeying with me this far. God bless you all. But I want you to subscribe, share, give me the thumbs up, leave a message and let me know if I'm doing good. Today I'm bringing another juice to you, and this is jackfruit juice. Okay, and I always use my ginger, and I'm going to use lime, and I'm going to sweet it with honey. Okay, I just want to let you know about the benefit of this jackfruit. It strengthens your bone, it lowers your blood pressure, and it maintains a healthy thyroid. You know that my ginger is good for headache, belly pain, arthritis pain. Very good. And my lime is good for cold. Also my honey, very good. Okay, so I'm gonna just prepare my jackfruit and come right back. All right, already tried to cut my jackfruit, but it's very stainy. So what I do when I cut it, I rub it like this to get out the stain. Okay, my mom and dad used to beat it and the stain come out. Okay, but you can put a little coconut oil and rub it on your hand, and your hand will not get stainy. Okay, put this aside. I come back here with this one. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the jackfruit now. See it? How nice it look. Take out this part. It's in my container there. And this is the seed from the jackfruit. And the jackfruit seed is good when you cook it. So I'm gonna save my seed because I'm gonna cook my jackfruit seed. That's another meal. Take out your seed. Guys, this is the seed. Yes, when you cook the seed, just put on the water, make the water boil up and put a little salt in it and cook it. You think you're eating yellow yam. Very nice. Put some water in my ginger. That's okay. My ginger. Okay. You don't have, if you want, you can cut them smaller than this, you know, but nothing wrong. You can just put it in your blender or whatever you have, and you add your water to it. Okay. And let me put the cover on. Put a bit more water everything here. Second dose. And I'm gonna put the honey in this part. No. This is my honey. There goes my honey. More honey, okay. A big spoonful, right? Gonna put my lime in. It's juicy, very much juicy. Let me tell you something. If you don't have ginger or lemon and lime in your juice, it won't bring it to that good taste, right? You have to have all these things in the juice. When the ginger or the lemon is not there, it's flat. Wow. I'll just give it a stir, a little bit. Already sweet. Nice. I'm stirring because the ginger stick at the bottom. So, okay, here is my jackfruit, my ginger, and my lime with honey. Okay, I have some ice in the cup, and I'm gonna get my husband to taste. Wow. Honey?
Yes, wifey.
Come and have some juice.
Okay, my darling.
I'm finished. Come give me the first taste.
Let me taste it. Honey, this one bad to the bone. You do yourself this time, my darling. You outdo it, man. This one is great, people. This one is nice. It's so nice. Come like ice cream.
Jackfruit, ginger, and lime. With honey,
So
sweet.
delicious. You do yourself, my dear.
Thank you, Huzzy. Okay, please
Enjoy.
remember to like, share, subscribe, please, and leave me a comment down below, and share with your friend. Okay, bye.